Students, we are going to discuss concept of electric field. Let a charge Q placed at this point and at a distance r from this another test charge, a small test charge Q is placed. Now this Q charge is at distance r. It will experience a force radially outward. This is a positive test charge. So experience of force radially outward, that is equal to K Q small q upon R square R K. This is called source charge, and this one is test charge. Now electric field produced by this charge. Actually, this charge will experience a force due to electric field produced by this charge. So electric field produced will be equal to K Q upon R square R K. That is F equal to force equal to Q into E, or E equal to F upon Q. Okay, then we can define electric field due to a point charge Q at a point in space may be defined as the unit positive charge would experience if placed at that point. Is it clear? Again I repeat, electric field due to charge Q may be defined as the force experienced by unit positive charge at a point. Okay, so unit of electric field, that is unit Newton per coulomb. Force per unit charge and Newton per coulomb. Now some important points. So first point, electric field does not depend on test charge Q. Okay, and force depends on test charge Q, but electric field does not depend on test charge Q. So electric field does not depend on Q. Second, for a positive charge, field is radially outward. If it is positive charge, the field force will be outward, so that means direction of field outward. And for negative charge, the direction of force will be this, inward. So for negative charge, field will be radially inward. So for positive charge, field radially outward. For negative charge, field radially inward. Now third point, electric field also depend on distance, distance r. We can see E proportional to 1 upon R square. So it has spherical symmetry. That means if this is a positive charge Q, then around this, if we draw a sphere, then at every point electric field will be same. At this sphere, at every point electric field will be same. This is called spherical symmetry.